Hello and welcome to this very quick video on the 31st of October. Happy Halloween to all of my watchers, but the other reason that I'm making this video is regarding this radio here. For those of you that have been watching the channel, you'll have seen this radio in literally hundreds and hundreds of videos. This is my FR Sky Taranis X9D Plus. I've had this one for a very long time and it's become a loyal companion that has had multiple upgrades in its time. It's had the new Hall effect gimbals fitted. I stuck on the 6-position rotary encoder at the top that I did for a how-to but never ever used. I've also done things like added the fire button at the back, which is there for FPV combat. Links down below if you're interested in knowing more about that. But it's also incredibly handy for things like instant trim. When you're flying around, you can hold the model level and then your finger can just click on that and it can instant trim. Again, I'll put a link down below if you want to know what instant trim is. If you're a fixed wing flyer that flies without flight controllers, it's worth its weight in gold. However, the reason for the video today is that in these older radios, they have their date of manufacture sticker in the back. And my radio was made on this day in 2014. So this radio today is 7 years old. So I would have baked it a cake, but I forgot. But this means this radio is still going strong after 7 years, and the Radiomaster TX16S regularly gets backups taken off this radio for the day when it starts to misbehave. So far, touch wood, that hasn't happened yet, but eventually this will start to misbehave. Some of the switches have been replaced thinking about it. It's just been a fantastic radio. I wish FrSky made radios like this these days. Still haven't managed to get my hands on things like the X20 to have a go at. If I get one in, I will take a look, but a lot of this stuff in here, even things like the multi-protocol modules in the back, just still make it a fantastic little radio. So happy birthday, Taranis. Let's see how long you can keep going, because this is the one when I want a smaller, more compact radio, I pull out the bag to take to the field, even to this day, after 7 whole years. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.